Hello everyone. Today I'm going to deliver lecture on maximum support reaction due to wheel load. So I will show the example of maximum support reaction due to wheel load. Okay, so let's start. As a wheel, this is the girder or brace. You can say 20 feet and different type of load you can see 7 wheel, which is 5 kg, 5 kg, 7 kg, 20 you can consider it. At first we have been seen here the type of reaction of influence line. So there are three type of reaction we've been seeing. Uh, the reaction type influence line, shear type influence line, and moment type influence line. So there are three diagram of different influence line, which is reaction type diagram will be like this, and then the shear type of influence diagram will be seen if we cutting the beam shear, and it will be act like this way, and another one we can see the moment type influence line, it will be act like this way, as we've been seeing the influence line, and the formula we've been seeing summation of R equal to summation of load into D1 and P prime into E divided by L into P1, or we can say summation of P into D1 divided by L plus P prime into L minus 1, R1 interchange in the support, and the shear we can see we've been using this formula. Today I will discuss this reaction type influence line. Okay, so let's see. I have the reaction type influence line summation of P1 d1 into P prime d into L divided by P1. So let's see what is the parameter of summation of R. Summation of R is the changing support of the reaction, and summation of P, which is the summation of the load which remaining on the span before and after the movement. Okay, so this is the total load will be calculated. I will show the how to calculate it. And T1 is the distance from support to the load shifted to the span, and another one you can see P1 prime, which is new loads entered in the span, and E, this is the most important, we have to calculate the distance from the support to the extended load. So we have to keep it mind. And L1 is span length, which is beam length or girder length or the bridge length, and P1 load which shifted of the span, okay, which is go out of the field. So let's see, here is it is taken from Professor Dr. Karanam sir, Universal Research Dhaka, Bangladesh. So maximum support reaction due to wheel load. So considering the simple supported beam AB, we have seen here B, and the length is given here, and substitute the wheel load arranged as the shown in figure 1, we have been seen here. The maximum reaction support will be obviously due to the placement of the wheel loads directly on the support. So we have been seeing the wheel W1, W2, W3, and particularly wheel 10. And when we've been inserting this wheel, and we try to be inserting this wheel on the beam on the bridge length, and we've been seeing the only 5 wheels are staying on the bridge. We've been seeing here. So W1 we've been seeing here, and W2, and distance is D1, which is between W1 and W2. We've been seeing here D1 is the distance from support to a load distance, or distance between two wheel. And we've been seeing if one will go upward, then it will be we have been seeing P1. We have been seeing here is the P1 new load extended, which is gone out, and the summation of all load we have been seeing of the staying on the bridge or on the beam, it will P. We've been seeing summation of the P here, and then we've been seeing W2 here, and P prime. P prime is the last one which is entered on the beam. This is the P1, and is a must vital issue. I will say there must be, you have to memorize or must you have to understand. P is will be distance of the wheel and the uh, and the reaction of the support of the last reaction. Okay, so let's see how we have considered here. The considering the different type of support at air, which is delta R is between the case of uh, wheel 1 at air, which is figure given in 2, and wheel 2, this is the figure 3 is given wheel 2, this is the wheel 2 and this is the wheel 1. And just erasing, sorry for interrupt. Okay, so when wheel 1 at 1, this is the wheel 1 at 1 at a, and figure is given is here, and then wheel 2, this is the wheel 2 at a, this is the a, and this in case of the support reaction due to the shift of T1. What is the T1? This is the T1, shift of T1, as this is the T1 will be for this figure T1 will be this distance, and this figure will be distance of T1, and summation of P IE, and the increase of the ordinate by the amount of dy d1 divided by L. Moreover, there is the additional increase due to the new load P prime as additional load have been applied. Moving distance in E, we've been seen in E, and the influence of ordinate E by L. And however, since the P1 is moved out, so we can see move out in P1 out of the line, influence in I and ordinate by increase by 1, and there is a further increase of P1 and support reaction. So we can see therefore the overall change of the reaction between 1 and 2 and 3 we can see is given by R summation of P into T into P prime into E divided by L minus P1. Okay. Since the derivation of 3.3 is based on the shape of the influence line, it is valid for all influence line in similar shape. Okay. So let's see an example. This is the hypothetical. Let's see an example. As we calculate the maximum reaction at A, here is the diagram we've been seeing. We have to calculate the reaction point A. This is the point A, and we have been of the following beam in the wheel load is arranged in shown below. This is the wheel load is arranged. So we've been seeing the 20 the wheel load, and the beam length is more. Okay, let's see. We have to try first wheel 1, trial 1. We've been taken the more and more trial, but in the second example I will not given the trial. I will just putting the maximum wheel load, which is 20, then it will be find the results. But as the initial, that's I am taking the trial 1, trial 2 and trial 3. Okay, let's see in the trial 1 and wheel 1. This is the wheel 1 and put at it will be acting here. So I'm if I will taking the some screenshot here. So wheel 1 wheel supporting air, it will be here over the air. This is the air. Okay, so what will be happen, and P1 as we've been set at the wheel 1, that's why the P1 will be wheel 1, so it will be 10 kip is given here, and D1 distance between wheel 1 and wheel 2, as we've been wheel 1 is set at here, so this is distance D1 is 5, and length we've been known the length is 16, as we've been seeing the only support is AB is 16. Okay, and another when wheel 1 at a, this is the wheel 1 at a, then what will be wheel, then we've been seeing only we've been taking the 15, because we are considering the reaction this point A to B only 16, and we've been taking the wheel 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4. This is the distance of 0 to 5, and when the wheel 2 is inserting here, then what will be happen, then wheel to 5. This is the wheel to 5, as we've been seen 5 minus 20, it is distance is 15, is also 15. Wheel 2 to wheel 5, this is the distance in 15, but we have been calculating, we have seen there is a 16 the length of the beam. So uh, so summation of wheel, we can say 2 to 5, this is the cross we have been multiplied 2 to 5, what will be load 2 to 5, that means 10 into 40 into 40 into 20, 2 to 4, sorry, 2 to 4, 2 to 4 this, so 10 into 40 into 40, it will be 90. And new added load, we have been taking the new added load is 5, which is 20 k. And this is the important why E1. I will calculate the E1, as we know our reaction is a 16 feet. When we have been wheel placed, wheel place 2, here is wheel place 2, then what will be happen, this will be 5 and it will be it will be is I will say 5, I will distance is 5, if I will say 5 equal to 0, then what will be 16 will be what will be if I will 5 is 0, as I am putting this value, this I am changing color, okay. So I am putting this value, the distance is 5, so let's see 5 equal to 0, okay. So what will be then what will be 16 equal to what, then 16 equal to definitely 21, so 5 into 60, it will be 21, okay. I'm just taking enter, okay, it will be 21, okay. And we have we have with the total length, we've been known the 20, as we've been found. So 20 minus 21, so 20, we have been seeing the as we've been putting this value, so 20 minus 21 minus 20, that will be 1. So this is the value of E. I will get, as we've been seeing here, this is the distance from support to the extended wheel, or you can say this is the you can clearly understand uh, from this graph. This is the E, as we've been taking the load P, which is we've been found 20 kip, it is placed in here, and the distance of E will be this like this, and distance of support between here. So I have been taking here support, and we've been seeing the 16 already, so that's why will be E will be 1, okay. I will see again, okay. Summation of R equal be summation of PD, we have been found summation of PD 90, and D1 we have been found is 5, and L we have been known the 16, as given in question, so it will be not given, it will be not given. So our diagram is will be only this diagram, only this diagram, not this diagram. This diagram will not will use, okay. And P1 we have been known the new load is coming here, as we have been seeing the 20 kip, which P1 P prime, and E have been found 1 kip, which is last wheel load, and B and the B distance of B, and P1 we know the P1 is the wheel load 1, which is 10 kip is given, and we have been found 19.37, so it will be will not get maximum load, because when we will get the negative value, then we will get the maximum load. So let's see the trial second, so it will also positive load, so we will need another trial. So if we see the third trial, we found the negative load, so we don't need the another trial. So until the negative load, we will trial again and again. So if you under you will be understand when we will get the maximum load. When we will apply the maximum wheel load at A, then we will get the maximum load. Okay, let's see trial 2. Here is the wheel load at A. We've been seeing wheel 2 at A. So P1 will be 10 load, this 10 load, and D1 will be distance between 2 and 3, which is 5, and L equal to 16 is given in question, given in the beam length, and wheel at 2. Okay, so this is important. So I will get, and wheel at 2. So wheel 2 is given here. So what will be given? If we put this in wheel 2, then we have been seeing the 15 length. So our beam is 16 length. So 2 to 5. If we place the wheel 3, this is the wheel 3 at A, then it will be also 3 to 4 wheel. Okay, summation of P will be 3 to 5. So we have been seeing 3 to 5 into 14 to 14 to 20, which is 100 kip, and there is no new wheel is added, that's why 0, and there is no new load to large support distance. That's why E will be 0. So you have to must be memorize, and E, we can see E is a distance from support extended load, where the last we have been founded, or we have been seen here last wheel load is inserted. Okay, so after finding this data, we are just putting this here and finding 21 when 25 kip, there is a positive value, that's why you need to another trial. So let's see trial 3. Trial 3, wheel 3, this is the wheel 3, and I'm just changing color for your convenience. So this is the wheel 3. So wheel 3 will be applied at A. This is the A. We are just taking this beam, not whole. So this is the beam. Wheel 3 we have been added here. So our P load equal to wheel 3 load to 40, and D1 equal will be for wheel distance between hole 4 and 5. So it will be 5, and L1 is L is 16. So in this distance is 16. Is given 16. And the wheel load at 3. So wheel 3, as we have been taken the wheel 3. This is the wheel. I'm sorry. This is I'm coloring wheel. Unfortunately, the wheel 4. It will be wheel 3. This is the wheel 3. So wheel 3 at A. So we have been taking wheel 3 at A, and wheel load P load is 40, and distance between wheel 3 and 4 equal to 5, and L length of the beam is 16 feet, and wheel 3 at A. So wheel 3 we're taking at A. So it will be how much fuel will be retained in this beam. So we'll see 3 to 5 as 3 to 5, and then wheel 4 at A. This is the wheel, another 4 we'll taking here. It will be also 3 to 5. So there is no new load wheel is applied. That's why P is 0 and E is 0. If the new wheel is applied is added, then it will be value is P prime and E. As we've been taking the first trial, as when we've been taking P1 is n, then we have to add the new load which is 5. That's why we have been taking the new load 5, and the new load 5, and the support B is it will be 1. Okay, so after getting this value, we have been finding 21.25. This is the negative value. So we can see the wheel 3 will be give the maximum load. So as we have been seeing here, the first wheel is 10 kip, second wheel 10 kip, and third wheel is 20 kip. So we don't need the trial 1. We will skip trial 1 and skip trial 2, and we'll go to the the maximum wheel load. At first we've been found in 20 kip. So we'll just wheel 3 will apply. Will not giving the gap. I'll see the later. And wheel 3 gives the maximum load at A. Here is the wheel 3 I've been putting here. this wheel and putting him here, and wheel 3, wheel 4 and wheel 5, and we've been found this is the one. And after equation in similar triangle, then we'll found 6.69 and 0.35. If we calculate in similar triangle, then we will found here. Okay, so how we calculate 0.69? It will be if I will get 40 into 1, then another 40 equal to what? So this distance. Okay, so this distance we have been found. It will be not 1, 5, 5 and 6. Which is 60. 40 we have been found in 60 distance. Then another 40 will be found how many distance. So we have been seen here. Sorry, it will be not 14. I have found in 1 in 16 distance from left side. This is the one. And second one we have been found 11 from left side. Left side we have been seen 11, so it will be 11. And just reversing again, it will be 11. So 6 into 5 11. Then how much will be value? So we will find 0.69. It will be 0.69. So in this way we found a 0.37 also. So I'm not seeing again and again. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. So x equal to 0.69. So let's see the reaction at 40 into 1, 40 into 1, and another 40 into 0.69, 40 into 0.69, and last one 20 into 20.37, and found our maximum load is 75 kg. This is our answer. So let's see another example. This is the another example. So calculate the maximum moment. We have been seeing the maximum moment we have to calculate where reaction at A. Here is the A. For the given wheel load arrangement, we have been seeing the load arrangement is given. So wheel 1 is 10, and 2 is 10, and 3 is 36. So that's why I will not given the trial 1 and 2. So this is the trial 1 and 2. I will just skip. I did not mean that it is needed as the lowest load. As I have been found the maximum load 36. That's why I am starting the trial 3 from wheel 3 at 1 at A. Okay, so trial 3 have been starting. If we want to see the trial 1 and 2, then I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm seeing here. This is the same map. This is the same map and same arrangement. So I'm seeing here trial 1 and 2. So it does not need, but I'm showing here. As the trial 1, we have been seeing the trial 1 on wheel 1. This is the 1 and 10 kg load. This is the 10 kg load wheel 1. And D1 distance between 1 and 2 is 5 feet. This is the 5 feet, and only 60 feet the mean length. And wheel now we have been seeing. And wheel 1 at A, that's wheel 1 at A, then 1 to 11. So 1 to 11, that means here the 60 we have been seeing that 60 it will be added as the whole load will be 60 wheel will be carried on this beam. And when wheel 2, this is the wheel 2, how many will go to it is also 60 as 5 minus 60, it will be 55. Okay, so it will also 11 wheel. So now we'll summation of P will be seen 3 to 5. This is 3 to 11. We'll adding all these values 2, 3, 4, and P prime there is no new load added, and there is no as there is no new load added, so distance will be no new load to the support. So this is the important P prime and E. So summation of E we've been seen after the calculating here. So this is the positive value we've been from 9.5. So we don't miss. So that's why I'm just skipping trial 1. So you can see the trial 2. I will get the trial 2. This is the trial 2. So this is the trial 2 wheel 2 at A. So wheel 2 putting in at A, and the P1 will be the wheel 2 load, which is 10 keep. We can see the 10 keep load the same as the same. I'm just taking the screenshot for your better understand. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. It is given the maximum. Okay. So we've been seeing here. Sorry for interrupting. So wheel 2 at A. So this is the wheel 2. This is the wheel 2 at A. When we will wheel 2 at A, the value P1 will be 10. This 10 will be 1, and D1. D1 will be wheel 2 and 3 distance, which is 8, is given here 8. And L is the length of the bridge or beam, is 60. So now we'll have to understand when wheel 2 at 1 and wheel 2 at 1, then our wheel will be carried in through over the 11. Then wheel 3, when wheel 3 is placing here, then we have to go to the 3 to wheel 12, as we have been seeing here the wheel 3 and 12. If we add the 30 into 60, then what will be happen? Then 73. So we have to go to the 733. So 733 we've been found that this type of wheel. That's why we've been taking 3 to 12. Okay. So summation of P will be number 3 into 11. So we are taking all the number 3 to 11, all the load we have been summing, which is 2 to keep. So this is the important how we'll get this P1, which is new load. We have added as the new load is 20 keep, as there is the new load. How will got new load? The when will taken in wheel 1, this is the 11. When we insert the wheel 3, then new load wheel is added, which is 20. This is the wheel load 20. So P1 will be new load, which is 20. We've been found 72. We've been near the 73, the wheel load 3. But our 72 is the wheel load, and we can go to the 73, and our wheel load is 73. So distance between 72 and 71 is 73 and 72 is 1. That's why it will 1. Okay, so that's why now putting all these value and found there is no negative value. That's why I have skipping this value. So we don't need to try to. Just we are after the skipping, then we'll go to the just jumping the wheel 3. So trial 3, wheel 3 at A. So wheel 3 will putting wheel 3 is 1 is here. So what will be happen? So let's see what will be happen. I'm just taking another sorry. This is the x coordinate. Okay. Okay. So we've been seeing wheel 3. This is the wheel 3 at 1. So we're putting wheel 3 at 1. And D1 distance will be wheel 3 between wheel 4, which we will add in, which is 6 feet, and L is 60 is given, and the beam length or the bridge length 60 feet. And wheel 3, this is the wheel 3 at A. Then how many wheel will be added this bridge? So we can say how many bridge, and wheel 3 at 3, and we can say wheel 3. This is the already coordinate 30, and we have been 60. So how much we can go? 60 plus 30 is 72. So we can go to the 73. Okay, 73. So 73 we have been found the wheel 1, 2, wheel 3 to 12. This is the wheel 3 to 12. And second one we can use the wheel 4 is at A. This is the wheel 4 at A. Then how much will be added? So wheel 4 will be known, the coordinate is 19. So 60 minus 19, then we can go to the 79. So 79 we have been given here 76 and 79, it will be like this. So we can go up to this. So what will be, I'm just erasing the previous one. Okay. So 73 to 79, so we can add the new wheel. Sorry for that. Okay, I'm just sorry for that. So I can add the new wheel, which is 20. So this is the new added new load is 20. We can found here, and distance between E, which is wheel 3 to the support. So wheel 13 to the support. Wheel 13 will be known as the total value is 79, and wheel 3 is coordinate is 76. So 79 minus 76, 79 minus 76, which is 3. This is the 3. So it will very important. So you have to keep in mind again and again. Okay. How we get? So new load we've been added is 73, which is contained in 76. But we have to go to the 79. Our coordinate will be 79, as we have been putting here the wheel 4 to the 60 feet, 60 feet over the here. So we'll find the 79. So if we will minus 79 minus 76, this will be 3. Okay. So after this calculation, we have been found the negative value. So as we have been seen here, the same we have been seen here, as we explained from this slide, the same map. So wheel 3 is at 1, and wheel 3 is 36. We have been including here as a 36. And D1, the distance between wheel 1 and wheel 2. I'm just taking sniping here. Okay. So we have been seeing here the wheel 3. This is the wheel 3 at 1 to 12, and wheel 4 to 30. So wheel 4 to 30 I have already shown how we will get calculate. And EP will be 3 to 4, 3 to 12, and found 208. So all the load we have been calculating here. And what will get, we have been seeing the new wheel 13 is added. So wheel 13 is added here. So E will be 3. How will get? As we have been seen in this graph, we have been getting 30 is wheel 4, while inside in wheel 4 is 90 here, 19. So I'm just taking another screenshot. Okay. When I inserting wheel 4, this is the wheel 4. Wheel 4 is at A, then it will be 19. So 19, and how much will be here? We can go to the 79. We have been seeing here. So 79. This is our 79. And the wheel position 3 is 76. We have been seeing here the 76. So we have been seeing the 76, but we can go to the 79. So distance between wheel 3 and B, it is the 3. This is important, and this is 3. In this way, I have found the value of 3. You have to must be understand this coordinate system. Okay, after finding this, then we can putting this all the value here, and finding minus value is 14.2 kg. The value is negative, so wheel at gives the maximum reaction. Okay, so now we are placing here 13 to 36 is wheel 3, as we have been taking the trial 3 is wheel 3 at A. So wheel 3 will be at is 1. I will get the point 9. So we'll calculate all three. So which is 60. This all the from left is 60. So we'll get 60 for 1. Then how much? This is 60 for this point up to this point. Sorry, not this point. Up to wheel 4 this point. How much length? It is minus 60 minus 6, which will 54. Then what will be value of for 54? Then if we calculate here, then we will found 0.9. Will be 0.9. So in this way we can calculate the all the value is 0.9 from similar. This is the also similar triangle. It is just taking the value of similar triangle is 0.9. Is 0.9. If you go to the taking the another similar triangle, then it will be 0.8 from 0.7. So in this way we will get the all this value, all this value 0.9, 0.7, 0.50, 0.50, and 0.30, 0.28, 0.22, and 107. Okay. So maximum reaction we will calculate at A. We know P into A divided by A. This is the another formula, or we can use 36 into 1 or 36 into 0.9, this value, but we can use here P into A by A. This is the P. I will get A value is 60 minus A length, total length we know the is 60, and 36 another one, 36, and A what does mean is that A means this length which is been found the 54. This is the 54 minus 60, and in the consequently and the second third wheel is the 36, and it will be 48, the distance from left from right to left. So you can calculate here and putting this below, but we can found this, but we can use this one, or we can use this one, whichever is you needed. So in this way you can found 150.443. This is our maximum reaction we can found. This is the answer. If you have any question, then let me know. I'll try to convince you. I'll try to give you answer. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just giving summarize here. At first I'm taking the here is a 3 type of moment. I'm taking the reaction here that we can calculate here new function. So the maximum important is here how to calculate new P and E. You can see here how we will get. This is the P, sorry, this is the P prime, and this is the E. The new load, new wheel is added, or new load is added, and P prime is P is new load distance to the last support. This is the P. If you understand this, then you can calculate easily. And there is another shortcut form, so you don't need the trial 1 or 2, because there is a less value. If you find the maximum and the value is 14, then you should tie from wheel 3. This is the 40 loop. You just skip this. I am also skipping here the point 1 and 2. So these two trial I just skip, I don't need. So I am just starting from wheel 3. As you can see the wheel 1 and 2, then not given the minimum value, not give them negative value. So wheel 3 gives the maximum value. So in this way we will calculate here. So problem will be arise the P prime and E prime. So P prime is inserting U prime, being seen here. This is the, and E is given here. So I will get this. This is the schematic diagram we can see. When you apply it in wheel 3, wheel 3 is applied at A, then the coordinate is 13. This is the coordinate is 13. You can see the 13, and it will be going to the, if we the beam length is 60 feet, then it will be going to the 36. But our wheel 12, so you can see in wheel 12, wheel 13 is 76. You can see here. Okay, so sorry, this is not. So this is, I'm sorry for that. So this is wheel 4. When we'll putting the wheel 4 here, wheel 4, then we have been found the coordinate is 19. This is the 19. So 19 plus 16, 19 plus 16, we can go to the 79, 79. But we have another, but our last wheel load is 13, 13 wheel. This is the 13 wheel. The coordinate is 76. So this is the 76. So distance between 76, which is wheel 3, so wheel 13, and 79, it is the 3. So this is the important. If you calculate this, then all will be easy. I'm just trying to convince you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.